Hey, what's up? I just received the brand new FREEWELL filter packs for DJI Neo 2. Here's Everyday 3 pack with CPL, UV, and mist. Here's Standard Day 3 pack with ND 8, 16, and 32. And lastly, Bright Day 3 pack with the polarized version of ND 8, 16, and 32. Since DJI Neo 2 is using a fixed and wide aperture of 2.2, neutral density or ND filters can help to reduce light, then shutter speed can be lower to attain a natural motion blur. Let me do a quick unboxing of these 3 packs. First with the Everyday 3 pack. The pack comes with 3 filters and 2 metal rings. 1 spare ring in case you lost one. The ring will be used to magnetically attach the filter, no screws required. It just snaps and it's done. I will show you how to install this to DJI Neo 2 in a while. For now, let's unbox the other 2 packs. This is the ND filters 8, 16, and 32. Also comes with 2 metal rings. And finally, the polarized ND filters. Same with 3 filters and 2 rings. I previously have the DJI Neo 1 filters which was also sent to me by FREEWELL. Here's a quick comparison of the rings and filters. Neo 2 filters are significantly larger. Now, let's have a walkthrough on the installation process. DJI Neo 2 does not have a removable lens. This is why FREEWELL has included a metal ring with adhesive so it can be used to stick to the camera frame. Just peel off the strip, then stick the ring to the frame. The adhesive is strong enough and it will not detach easily. Now, with the magnetic filter, you can connect it to the metal ring. It will just snap. Attaching and interchanging it with the other filters will be effortless. That easy. So here it is, light and elegant. Doesn't it look good on DJI Neo 2? Let's now try it out. Bring it outside while the sun is bright. Note that camera settings on this is on auto mode. Do you notice that ND32 has the most blurred image of the hat? Since ND32 is the darkest, the shutter speed is decreased compared to the one without the filter. Here's a more detailed sample. See the camera settings for each filter. Again, motion blur is dominant on ND32 because of the low shutter speed as it needs more light. While with ND8, movement looks choppy. Is blurred image good or bad then? Why do we need it? That's because it simulates the natural way our eyes perceive movement, which can make videos look more realistic and fluid. It is recommended to use ND filters as they effectively lower the shutter speed by reducing the light to reach the camera sensor. And FREEWELL did a great job with filters. It does not compromise the natural colors. What about the polarized filters? Polarized filters works the same way, but it also helps reduce reflections and increase the vibrancy of the videos from DJI Neo 2. To buy these filters, and for more information on the usage of ND filters, check out the description. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next.